In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from a contact owner in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to log into your HubSpot and go to your contacts by going to your CRM and clicking on contacts. From in there, you can see all the contacts that you currently have. On this case, click onto the record of the contact that you want to email. Let's email right here, Brian. Click on their name. Once you have done that, this will open Brian's record. You can see in here the about page, their contact profile, and the likes, as well as their key informations, which is their email right here. So in there, you just need to click on the email and the contacts timeline. So you can click onto this right here, click onto their name. You can actually add a new email if you want, or copy this email and then proceed to send them an email directly. You can head over and send them an email however you want it to be by opening right here this email tab and create an email for this, wherein you can actually add the subject as well as the body for it, and then connect your inbox, and once you're done you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.